carrying my bag. It's very chill here at Jaipur. Finally touched down. It's 13 degrees here. It's very cool. I love it. Now heading towards the hostel. It's very nice. Let's see how the hostel is. So I'm at this hostel. It's a very cool hostel and the feel is really amazing. It's called the Mellow. There are people from Mumbai. One of them is from Khar and Andheri. But it's very good environment to be in, especially for our age, my age. It's really fun. I'll show you around. Cool. Let's go. Cool little place here. यहाँ पे है cool. Alright, so this place is so radical. Look at this. Very nice place here. And that's me. Let's go upstairs to the cafe with 2 floors so that you get hungry while climbing these steps. And here I am. Look at this shit. Oh man, amazing. Fucking love this place. Alright, so this is my hostel and I'm gonna doze off after a big long tiring day. Finally I'm gonna get some sleep. So it is 7:35 or 7:40 in the morning. Almost 8. Actually it's 8:10. I'm ready and I'm just leaving to get some batteries and yeah, I'm gonna go to JLF then. Everything is set up, I just need to go and be there. Let's go. I don't know the place here, I'm just gonna ask somebody where to go first. One second. Alright, so I've got my ID and now heading to the event, the main venue. It's gonna be a long day today. So the day 1 shoot is done. Now I'm going for the after party from Penguin and my cab is here. Okay, a lot of vehicles going by. So noisy.
It's fucking crazy, no? This
It's crazy. It's too
noisy,
no, I mean I was talking about the grains in
fuck the grains, like it's just like incessantly they horn.
Yeah, the honking is a lot.
And they don't stop, man. You can't cross the road here, like
They don't stop. No, Okay, so we are at this fancy place for the after party at the Penguin. Invitational, by the way. Cold shit. Oh man. Hello. Okay. Good place. Good vibes. Let's see what do they have for drinks.
What are we drinking?
This vlog.
What are we drinking tonight?
What are we drinking? Whatever is given, whatever is served, each one of them.
Everything. One of each.
Yes, one of each hopefully, or Only one thing which I love the most, that is Baileys, if they have Baileys.
Well, penguin ki, no.
Nice, nice. मंदिर नहीं आरती. I'm always cool. Nice. Namaste. Penguin party, sir. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, cool. Who's this guy? Salute. God damn. Rose petals? Look at this. Rose petals. Amazing. The rose petals which Nauman ate in the Books on Toast shoot. Same. Yes. Oh, Smriti is there. Hello, Smriti.
They're looking at the gate.
Hello, horse. Oh, don't leave me. Hello. Are you prepared for what? What is
most
this?
amazing.
Okay.
Just wait.
Drum
for it.
rolls.
Wait for it.
Thriller. Okay.
Right?
What is this?
Fucking crazy.
Oh my god. No, this thing I have to do it. Everyone should feel jealous. Yes? My friends? Pictures. Okay, so this is how it looks like. These all are diyas. How long did they had to lit these all diyas? What? Oh my friend Ganesha, tumre. Okay. Oh, heavy shit right here, guys. Rajasthan. Patharo hamare desh. Acha, this is penguin. Oh shit, sorry. Oh, ulta. Oh, freak. Okay. Is this veg? Okay, thank you so much. Oh, this bread. Oh, I don't eat bread, sorry. Nope. Not having bread. Not having bread. I am sorry. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Alright. Just so you know, this is a washroom. Fancy stuff right here. Alright, we have done with the dinner and today's day is over. Preparing for the next day from now for the shoot actually. It's gonna be a very long day tomorrow because we are planning to shoot 6 interviews instead of 3. It's gonna be tough, but yes, it will be fun. Just look at around here. This place is insane, guys.
Oh shit, I think I just turned it on.
What's this?
Wait. Oh, you're recording. Nice, nice. Intense match.
Follow me. I think follow me. Follow me down to the you know.
Musical chair in hostel stays.
I'll explain why it was wrong.
I think the dumbest thing I did was this.
Yeah, that was a very.
I did
The second question, sir, the diagram becomes extremely dangerous.
Yeah.
Okay, that did happen.
Didn't even get